Today we will see Junior KG Numeracy Skills textbook. In this textbook we have the contents: talk time, sorting, big and small, long and short, heavy and light, full and empty, more and less, odd one out, same or different, near and far, above, middle, below, left and right, between, before, after, complete, match, shapes, square, triangle, circle, rectangle, star, similar shapes, shapes in nature, 1 to 5, 6 to 9, then 0, 10, once more, Animal Express, Anytoon, numbers 11 to 12, 11 to 20. Next there are numbers from 21 to 30, then numbers till 31 to 40. Next fun time, numbers from 41 to 50, number names, only numbers, number rhymes, learning outcome and checkpoint. Talk time, talk about the picture, count the number of birds. You can count the number of birds. Next sorting, draw a circle around each set. You can draw a circle here on each set. Next, ring a red circle around the fruits, ring a green circle around the vegetables. You can ring a circle around the fruits, red ring, and a green circle around the vegetables here. Next, big and small. Circle the things that are bigger in each set. You need to circle the bigger one here. Next, long and short. Circle the things that are shorter in each set. Which is the short one? You need to circle. Short one. Next, heavy and light. Circle the things that are lighter in each set. You need to circle the lighter set here. Next, full and empty. Circle the things that are full in each set. You need to circle the here. Which one is full? You need to circle. Next, circle the cake that has more candles. Where do you see more candles? Here, you need to circle. Circle the group that has less apples. Which one has less apples? This one. You need to circle. Next, odd one out. Circle the odd one out. Which is the odd one? All are in blue color. This is in pink color. This is the odd one. You need to circle. Like this, you need to finish the activity. Same or different, circle the one that is different. Which one is different here? Circle. Which one is different? You need to circle. Same or different, color the pictures that are of same size. Which are of same size? You can color it. Which are of same size? You need to color. Next, near and far. Color the house that is near the school in red. Color the house that is far away from the school in blue. You can circle. Whichever is near, you need to circle in red. Whichever is in far, you need to circle in blue color. Next, above, middle and below. Color the triangles using the following color codes. Above, green, middle, brown, below, red. Above, middle, below. Next, same and different. Circle the one that is different. Which one is different? You need to circle that here. Next, left and right. Join from left to right. You need to join here. Left to right. Join. Next, left and right. Circle the frog on the left. Circle the duck on the right. Circle the key on the left. Circle the bag on the right. Between, look at the pictures of animals given below. Circle the animals that is between the others. You need to circle in between. Comes before and after. Circle the vegetables that is before the pumpkin. Which one is before the pumpkin? You need to circle. Circle the thing that is after the ball. After the ball, you need to circle. Circle the fruit that is just before the banana. You need to circle. Circle the thing that is just after the hat. You need to circle this. Complete. Draw the missing part. Whichever is missing, you need to draw. Whichever is missing, draw the missing part here. Next, match. You need to match. Match the same type of shirt here. You need to match.